All right, we're starting day 2. Y'all missed day 1. We got down here late last night, but anyway, that's where we slept.
Too late.
And there's a sun coming up, so we're gonna go get a little breakfast. We're here at IHOP. IHOP Pie. Alright, well, we're going in, as they say, as Leroy said.
Pappy's treat.
We're going in. Alright, we're sitting here and looking at the rocks and the birds.
And the attack of the bird.
Yeah. And watch this, people. They like barbecue, honey mustard, ketchup,
That's
whatever.
so
Alright, you ready?
stupid.
Can we? Come on,
Give him to me.
No, I got it. Roll
No,
it.
you ain't got nothing.
I got this. Roll
No.
it. Let me
Look
feed.
how close he is.
Come on, let me feed the birds. All right, come on. Go roll it a little more.
No. He can squeeze through it.
Come on.
No, come on, let.
Boy, the people are looking at us.
Do
Come
it
on.
on your side.
It blows at your side. All right.
Are you okay?
All right, do it.
But no, roll it back.
What?
Go on now, we done with y'all.
Alright. We're calling for dinner. Let's roll, baby. We're gonna go out on the rocks.
I ain't walking out of this car with them ass. Them seagulls up there waiting on us.
Look like that's the bathroom.
Yeah, throw some chips up there. Alright, you probably need to pay attention to what you're doing.
Well, I mean, you only been on it 100 times.
No, this is my second time ever on it.
Alright, we're here in Wilmington. Get my drink.
Point out while Pappy is recording this well so he can get this.
What?
Come here, Pat.
Oh, gotta go see what Junior wants.
Cotton Bills, put that in corner. We got
Yeah.
a memorial,
Yeah.
right? Memorial.
Memorial.
Crazy horse.
Yeah, the crazy horse won.
Donated that one. That's the Crazy Horse Strip Club.
Yeah. And we got this guy. Alright, there goes some kind of little fairy thing. I mean,
yeah, buddy. There's that ship we were in front of just a few minutes ago.
There you go. That's Wilmington Water Tours. We should have took one. Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Still coulda.
Check that boat coming out. Coming up fast.
Okay.
Now that's a horse. Two of them exactly.
What's he standing in exactly?
His horseshoes. Go there and stand beside him, buddy. I'll clean it.
Nah.
Yeah. Alright, we're heading to the aquarium. Yeah. As far as statues of fish go, that's pretty good. They're like piranhas.
It's the line, perfect.
Throw some money in there. What?
We're gonna do dinosaurs here?
Oh,
That would be new. If it's probably cost an extra. Up, I'll show you how far.
I'll show you how to take a dump. Check that green eyeball. Now, how cool was that, people? Yeah, I mean, we would have let y'all seen it, but no cameras allowed. A little change of mind, buddy. A little change of mind, that's all. We'll catch her next year. Here we are at the, what, Carnival? Boardwalk? Whatever.
Broadway.
Yeah. And it's daytime.
I want to thank y'all for watching my video, and if you liked it, you can click like, or if you want to see more, you can hit subscribe, or just come to Pappy's World. And if you'd like to leave a comment, that would be great too. Thanks again for watching.